Google continued its tradition of sleek and minimalistic design with subtle improvements. That's what I would have said initially. But the newly announced Pixel 9 changed the whole statement, which are the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and the big boy in the house, which is the Pixel Fold 2nd generation. Well, weirdly enough, Google decided to name it the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which sounds a little out of the box instead of the maybe Pixel Fold 2 or something. Yeah, but for some odd reason, Google chose to do that. Contrary to that, Google also made mention of their new smartwatch and their new buds, which is the Pixel Watch 3 and the Pixel Buds Pro 2. Yeah, so in this video, I'll be going in deep into what makes these devices special and make them stand out in the crowded market of smartphones, offering a more detailed insight on their design, performance, features, and many others. And most importantly, be comparing it to the previous generation, which is the Pixel 8 series, to see how Google have overall improved in their build quality, performance, and everything. So to make things easier, I will be categorizing this into some sections, which are build and design, display, camera, battery life, software, and finally performance and the whole AI thing, because we can't talk about a Pixel device without talking about its great AI features. So stick around. While the Pixel 8 already offers an amazing look, the Pixel 9 offers a more refined finish with a durable back glass and the aluminum frame, which gives it a premium feel. That's another surprise from Google because they didn't follow up with the whole titanium frame trend. The color options are very, very vibrant, which gives a unique feeling and again, a choice of your style on what your device should look like because your device actually says a lot about you. And also, the new lineup have a thinner bezel and overall it's lighter than its predecessors, which gives it a more comfortable feeling, making it easy for everyday use. The Pixel 9 series all boast of a LTPO OLED display at 120Hz refresh rate, excluding the 9 actually, because it has an OLED display which isn't bad in my book, also at 120Hz. And they have a really bright and vibrant screen which boasts of 3000 nits peak brightness, which is 11% better than the Pixel 9, which sticks about 2700 peak brightness. Well, this is to ensure even a smoother scrolling experience and vibrant color reproduction. Also, the bezels are noticeably thinner, allowing for edge-to-edge immersive experience with the all-new improved brightness and HDR10+, making it perfect for media consumption and also gaming, though the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a slightly larger screen at 6.8 inches, while the 9 and the 9 Pro offers 6.3 inches. The Pixel series are renowned for their exceptional camera performance with those bright and crisp images, and the Pixel 9 series even raised the bar further. The new camera system includes an upgraded camera sensor and improved computational photography, delivering stunning low-light performance, better dynamic range, and overall, a more accurate color reproduction. Here is what the upgraded camera system looks like, with the Pixel 9 only missing out on the 48MP 5x telephoto lens, which isn't a deal breaker to me. The Pixel 9 series offers an impressive battery life with intelligent battery management that adapts to user usage pattern. A 4700 mAh battery charging at 25 watts wired charging for the 9 and 9 Pro, and the open 5060 mAh at 37 watts charging for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. They all support fast wired and wireless charging, which enables you to top up your device as soon as possible when needed. Well, Google has still yet to implement the Qi 2 wireless charging technology that was announced maybe 19 months ago. The battery longevity stands out because you can go a full day on a single full charge. Well, that's still on paper though. But then, I just hope Google have really worked on the heat management issue. By the way, if you are really enjoying this content and find it very informative, I would really appreciate you like, comment, and share this video. It will really make me happy and help create even better content in general. And most importantly, smash on the subscribe button, please. Running out of the box on Android 14, this makes it the first ever Pixel device to be announced without a new Android version. Regardless, the Pixel 9 series benefits from Google's clean and intuitive stock Android interface. We just can't deny that stock Android really looks cool. To top more icing on the cake, you tend to get regular updates and more exclusive features. The promised 7 years of major Android updates. Wow, 7 years. Like, this device will still be getting Android updates till around 2031. That's a really long time. But then there are some questions surrounding this. First, would the hardware be able to hold up for 7 years? And second, we all know how Google are really good at breaking promises. So we just have to wait for 7 years to see if they would keep up to this promise they've made. Maybe we would even check back to this video in 2031 when we have finally gotten an answer to our question. A Pixel device is never complete without that finishing touch of mind-blowing AI features and capabilities. And this year is no different because all of these devices are powered by Google's latest chipset, which is the Google Tensor G4. The Pixel device offers a blazing fast overall performance and overall an improved AI capabilities. The Pixel 9 and 9 Pro have a 12 gigs of RAM, while the 9 Pro XL rocks a 16 gig of RAM, which is more than enough for everybody. Talking about the AI features, first we have the Add Me, which ensures everyone is in the photo, including the photographer. And then Gemini, getting directly baked into your device for easy accessibility and assistance. A dedicated screenshot application, the Pixel Studio, AI-powered weather, the Magic Editor, and these are just to mention but few from the bunch of AI capabilities this device actually has. Knowing that Google have significantly invested in artificial intelligence to help enhance their overall user experience and performance of their devices. So the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Why not just call it the Google Pixel Fold 2? Well, this marks the second year of Google entering into the foldable market. Combining innovative design with practicality, this device features a robust hinge mechanism, which have been a really big hiccup for foldables. But seeing Google nailing it makes it look pretty much easy, while making the crease less noticeable on that 8-inch foldable LTPO OLED display. When unfolded, it transforms into a tablet-like experience, perfect for multitasking and productivity, all powered by the same chipset from the 9 series, which is the Google Tensor G4 chipset. The camera on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold looks similar to that of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Well, that's actually based on specs, not based on look, because the camera bumps looks like nothing we have seen before, featuring an advanced triple rear camera system with a new multi-zone LDAF, which is literally a sensor that helps get even better autofocus. With the phone having 2 displays, this actually means more power is needed. So it packs a massive 4650 mAh, which isn't bad considering how power efficient management have been put in place. Apart from that, it also gets the whole pack of benefits from the 9 series, the AI, everything, and also the 7 years of major software updates. I would really want to see how the foldable display holds up to 7 years. Also, Google announced their Pixel Watch 3 and the Pixel Buds Pro 2. I might make a video about that separately after I've gotten more information about people that have tested these hands-on. Each device offers a unique improvement from its predecessors, while maintaining Google's focus on quality and user experience. If you did enjoy this video and found it very helpful, do hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification not to miss out when I make more tech content. Well, with that being said, catch you the next one. Peace out.